Hello guys, wanna enable pop-up view floating window, for example, for YouTube or WhatsApp on your Android device? Here is an easy tutorial how to do it. So firstly, open your settings app. Just click on that gear icon and then scroll down from here to the advanced features section. Click on it again and tap on labs. And enable swipe for pop-up view. Just click on that toggle. And let's actually test it. So open WhatsApp app or open YouTube. I will use YouTube and swipe from the left corner or right corner quickly to make this as like floating window with your app. And to minimize the floating window to open it later, just long press on this small tab and click on this icon. Oops. And to open it again, just tap on it. You see how it works? Yep. And to close it, just tap on this icon. And to open the app fully, click on this icon and on this. And by the way, you can also edit the size of the floating window. Just drag it from the top right corner of the floating window and this will change its size. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.